come.
Too much stuff on you.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on, Storm. Go get it.
Come on,
Oh,
Stormy.
go ahead, Storm.
Come on, buddy. Stormy, help.
They make a lot of noise.
Stormy.
With the water. Gonna make
Stormy,
a lot
help.
of noise.
Help, Stormy, help.
Stormy.
Is he okay?
Yeah, he's just struggling with one of the...
Starting to get up on the top stairs.
Come on, come on. Go get it. There you go. Now you're off. Come on. Come on. Go get it, Stormy. Come on, Stormy. Go swimming. Come on, Stormy. Come on, Stormy. Come on.
Go see your daddy. Go see your daddy.
Good
Good
job.
boy. Good boy.
Okay, get your head up. Get your head up, buddy. Get your head up. Okay, good boy.
He's having a hard time keeping his head up now.
He's trying to hunker down a little bit.
Okay, let's get up.
Look right on this.
Good job. Yeah, it's gonna be a long process.
Should we get him up on the top stair? Or should we keep him in the water?
Keep him right here.
Okay.
Good boy, Stormy. You just got it, don't you?
He normally takes it out of the water,
Yeah, you can't do that.
and then we chase him around the pool, and then he comes back in the water. So
He's got it in his mouth.
Yeah.
Well, right now is even a good, just for him to even move in the water. The water is helping the weight bearing, buoyancy. It's helping him.
Good boy, Stormy.
he's using those legs. He's trying.
Get his feet in the proper position where he would normally be if he was walking.
Get him set up.
Get him set properly. Good boy.
Good boy.
Yeah, he always had problems getting out of that first step to begin with because of the water weight that was just surely, that was on him coming out of the pool. This was a big step normally for him, this first step right here.
Yeah, because we bring so much water with him.
In addition to weight bearing, when he gets better, we have him put his front limbs up here, and he's going to be having his back limbs back here, and he's going to be able to bear weight a little bit more because the weight's going to shift back. You can do that. Right now it's going to be